Hey, I'm Maya Smith, CEO and founder of the Doux. Welcome to my bathroom. Let me show you my hair routine. When I'm fresh out of the shower, I use just a drop of We Want Easy Texture Tamer, about that much, to soften my hair and help my waves pop. And of course, I always follow through with my favorite Mousse Def Texture Foam, which keeps my waves laid down, keeps my curls popping, and keeps my really short hair shiny. The thing I love most about it is once my hair gets brushed down and I smooth it down with the mousse, everything stays in place. So it dries really fast. I don't have to wear a wave cap or do a whole lot of slicking and swooping, and I can move on with my day. And while I'm letting my hair dry, I do a little makeup. I am absolutely loving these Aqua Lashes by Ardell Professional. You just dip the lash band in some water and they stick. Yeah, my hair is completely dry now, and that is my hair routine.